we're going to be in the Cadence community at the Glenmore collection built by Century. These are single-story homes, and there's going to be two models that we're going to be taking a look at today. So let's get started. This is model 1742. It's 1,742 square feet. It's a single-story home. This one in particular is 2 bedrooms. It can be a 3-bedroom, and they range anywhere between 2 and 2.5 bathrooms. And this office right here is your 2-car garage. Starting base price is $417,990. And here is the surrounding community. It's still being built. Okay, there's a lot of development happening out here in the Cadence community. So the pavers on the driveway is going to be included. You will get the desert landscaping as well. And you will have pavers in your walkthrough right here. Okay, this is the exterior of the home. The entrance is going to be on the side of the house. That is the bigger model that we're going to go check out later. So let's walk in. And right in front you have a covered porch area. You have can lighting right here. You have 3 in the entryway. Walking towards the front door. And you have a big window right here to the right. And then let's walk in. You can tell it's very, very spacious with the high ceilings. These are 10-foot ceilings, guys. And all the doorways are going to be 8 foot. But before we go towards that side of the home, we're going to start off right here to our immediate right. As we walk through the hallway to the left, this is going to be your laundry room. Okay, you have these nice floorings. Washer dryer not included, but you will have the upper cabinets. These homes are spec'd out, okay? And then to the right of that, you have this large den right now. With the 10-foot ceilings, this floor plan feels super large. Here is the option to do your bedroom, but right now it's an office. Here's the look of this area from this corner. Okay, and then to the right, you have this section right here with extra cabinets. You have your coat right above. And then you have, this is the office, but that's going to be the entryway to the garage. And to the left of that, this is your first bathroom. Look at this. You have nice 2-inch thick slabs, quartz countertop. I like the combo that they did with that. Black hardware. And you have a stand-up shower right here. Your first bedroom. You have that closet with the 3 doors. And then you have a window out there to look outside. Okay, now we're gonna walk towards the main living area. Check this out, guys. You guys are gonna be pretty impressed with the design for these homes. Open format, you got a large, spacious feel. Okay, you have your living area right here with a nice L couch. So right in front, you have your dining area. This is your kitchen area right here. Kitchen area, you have a large island, these beautiful 2-inch thick slab, quartz countertop. Very nicely done. It's like a light gray, or this is like a gray cabinets, very modern. You have a fiberglass sink right here, black hardware. I love it. You have the Whirlpool dishwasher. Then you have this refrigerator. It's not going to be included, but check out this kitchen, guys. Very nicely done. You can see it's kind of like a gray bluish tint. It will come with your microwave, 4-top cooktop burner with your oven. Lots of counter space. Here's a look from this corner. Okay. And then right here is your dining area, right next to the patio. Okay, and let's walk out there real quick. So you do get a covered patio right here. And you will have pavers right here, but more than likely the pavers will probably cover up to where your patio is. This is a larger lot. Okay, the lot premiums here range anywhere between $1,000 to $20,000, and your average lot size is about 4,500 square feet. Okay, and then HOA is about $50 a month. There's no SIDS and LIDs. There's no master plan fee, but that's a good thing to keep in mind. And just letting you know, this is the bigger lot compared to the ones that most average lots are going to get. So you probably get up to halfway right here. Okay. Here's a look of this corner. Here's the exterior of the home. So these are very nicely done single-story homes, guys. Close to the mountainside right there, you can see. Okay, now let's walk back in. Let me know what you guys think, guys. If you find value in any of these home tours I do on this channel, please let me know. Leave a comment below. I would like to hear some feedback, hear what you guys like or don't like about these videos. All right, here's another look from this corner. All right, and by the way, guys, look, you have a lot of lighting in this home. Okay, you do get fire sprinklers as well included. They did a very, very nice job at this house. Another look for the kitchen. And then right here, extra storage, or this would be, I guess, your pantry. And here is your primary bedroom, guys. Large primary bedroom. Large windows that overlooks your backyard. And you'll likely have 1 year to complete your backyard, guys. Here's another look from this corner. And guys, the primary bathroom is amazing. Check this out. Toilet, you have a his and hers, but it's separated. And then you have your quartz countertop with the cabinetry right there. Black hardware, but look at the design, guys. You have a separation. So she'll probably get the larger sink, obviously, to do her makeup. And then you have this amazing modern stand-up shower. Okay. Remember, these homes are spec'd out. And then you have this large walk-in closet. You will get carpet inside. This is the walk-in closet that you'll get. Here's another look. All right. Guys, if you guys are interested in seeing these homes, make sure to bring a realtor with you to have proper representation so we can negotiate the best deals whenever you guys visit these model homes. All right. And if you are interested in seeing more of these, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any home tours I do in Vegas. Right behind me is a single-story home. We're going to be taking a look at 1831 square feet. This is a single-story home. This can be anywhere between 3 and 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, and you also get a 2-car garage. There also is a den included in this particular model. Okay, all right, you're gonna have pavers in the drive-through. You're gonna have the desert landscaping right here out front, and the entrance to your doorway is to the side of the home. You will also get pavers on your walkthrough. All right, and right before we walk into the home, here is the surrounding community area. There's a lot of development happening right now, still in this part of the community. All right. So the HOA for this particular community is $50. There's no SID and LID. There's no master plan fee. There's going to be 125 homes being built in this collection. The lot premiums start off at $1,000, and it can go all the way up to $20,000. And the average lot size is about 4,500 square feet. So this particular single-story home, all right, is 1831. Now let's walk inside. So as we walk in, you do have high 10-foot ceilings, so it does make this home look very, very spacious. I love high ceilings because it does make your home feel bigger. And once you enter the door, your immediate right, you're gonna have this hallway right here. And then to the left of that, this would be your laundry room. These homes are spec'd out, okay? So you won't be able to choose any of your upgrades, but in this laundry room, you will have your upper cabinets right here, washer and dryer not included. You will get this panel box for all your utilities and your connections for your modem. Here's the large window that you can see outside your front door. And then right here is your half bath. Check this out. Look how nice they did this backsplash, guys, all the way up to the ceiling. And then right here you have a little coat closet. And here is the den. This den that they used for an office. Okay. Here's the outside. Large window that you can see your front yard. Okay. Now let's walk to the great room. This is a very, very nice floor plan, guys. I love the way that they designed this home. Right here, you get a large pantry. Check that out. You got 2 huge doors, okay? And you have a large pantry to put all your kitchen needs. And then look at this amazing kitchen, guys. Huge gourmet kitchen. You got a large island right here. Love these quartz countertops with the 2-inch slabs. It makes it look so much better. And you have 4 bar stool seating right here. You have a lot of counter space. And on this island, you also get the black hardware and you get this fiberglass sink, guys. Okay. You get the dishwasher, stainless steel right here, white shaker cabinets. There is no handles. Okay. You got the countertops right here as well. And you get the cabinets that goes all the way up to the ceiling. Okay, check that out. You have a microwave right here. And you get 2 ovens. You got this one and you got that oven right there. But check out this counter space, guys. You also get the backsplash for this one that goes all the way up to the ceiling. Not a lot of builders do that. And then you have this stainless steel hood, 5-top cooktop burner. Very, very nicely done. Okay. This is your entryway for your garage. And I'm going to give you guys a look from this corner of the home. Nice design. All right, and then you have, this is where your refrigerator would sit. You won't get that included in this build. Now, I'm not sure if any of you like this style where you have the kitchen right here and then you have your dining area and then you have the living area right behind. Some people I know don't like that kind of concept, but I mean, this one works. I don't mind it. And just in case, and just letting you know, this would fit about 6 people right here. And this is your living area. This is going to be upgraded with your fireplace. I love how they designed it. And here's a look from this corner of the home. Okay. Now we're going to walk towards the middle of the house. And in this section, you have both of your bedrooms, left and right, but right in front of you, you have your full bath. The choices of material on this home is very, very nice. Okay, you have your white quartz countertop, you have black hardware, white cabinets, okay, and you have your tub and shower combo right here. Got the window above. And then you have bedroom 1 to the right. Look at these high ceilings, guys. First bedroom. And then you have your second bedroom right here. Okay. Then we're going to walk to the end of the house. And this is where your primary bedroom would be. Check this out. You have an extra cabinet right here with countertop space. And here is your primary bedroom. Okay, you get that large window to overlook your backyard. But let's go take a look at that later. Guys, if you find value in any of these videos, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell so you will always be informed whenever I do these home tours. Here is your primary bathroom. You have your toilet right here. Look at this. Love this modern look. You have a his and hers that's completely separate, and then you have your walk-in shower right in the middle of that with its nice glass, with a nice backsplash as well, black hardware. Okay, you have your single sink right here under mount, white countertops, and then look at that, you have a walk-in closet. Walk-in closet is not that big compared to other homes that I've seen with this style of for a one-story home, but I mean, it works. It looks great. Leave a comment below if you like it or you don't. And guys, if you guys are interested in seeing any of these floor plans I show on the channel, don't forget to bring a realtor with you. That way we can negotiate the best deals for you guys. I'll leave my information below. Now let's take a look at this outside patio and backyard. You get a covered patio right up here with these, you got two lightings, okay? And you have a pre-wired for your fan if you decide you want to put one out there. Vegas is hot, so something to consider. And right here you have your pavers. More than likely the pavers are going to be only in your covered patio area. But check this out. The covered patio goes all the way to the right side of the house. Okay? You have more lighting above, so you have a lot of lighting if you want to entertain guests at night. All right, this is Cadence, so there's a lot of development happening back here, but you are close to the mountainside. Okay, and then most average lots are only going to get about 15 feet of this backyard, so halfway through. These are a lot bigger lot sizes, so just something to consider. Here's a look of the exterior from the backyard. And here's another look from this side of the home. So you also get a side gate right there. Okay, and you do have 1 year to complete your backyard with this builder, or else HOA will fine you. All right, guys, what do you guys think? Did you guys like it? Did you not? If you loved it, let me know. Like this video, leave a comment below, and that's gonna be it for this tour, guys. See you guys on the next one.